And he also cites a whole list of sayings from a man who is perhaps more associated with this virtue of hunger than anyone else amongst the early Muslims. And this is Al-Imam Sahl bin Abdullah at-Tustari, an important saint, one of the great luminaries in our history. He's from southwestern Iran. Died in the year 283. And he was a pupil in Zuhud, renunciation of the world, this great hadith virtue, and also of hadith of Imam Sufyan al-Thawri. And he also inaugurated one of the schools that eventually was to flow into Tasawwuf as we know it today, through his leading pupil Muhammad bin Salim. Muhammad bin Salim gave his name to a school known as the Salimiyya, which was a theological and also ascetical school, which had its center in an island in the Euphrates River, known as Abadan, which was a place where people went to study fiqh and hadith, and also to discipline their souls and to learn these virtues of renunciation and of hunger. Muhammad bin Salim and Sahl al-Tustari, the two great pioneers of the retreat in Abadan. And Sahl was particularly known for having achieved purity of soul through hunger. This was his particular method. So the Imam says here, Sahl al-Tustari used to go for 20 odd days together without eating. 1 dirham would suffice him for the whole year. And regarding the hadith of 1/3 for one's food, in other words, you leave 1/3 of what your stomach for your food, 1/3 for drink, and 1/3 for your breath. This is in the sound hadith, where the Rasul himself commends this virtue of frugality. Sahl said, whoever exceeds this, what he is eating is in fact his own good works. And he said the Abdal, this is a category of saint referred to in the hadith, the Abdal attained their rank only by making their bellies slender and through sleeplessness, silence and solitude, the austere way of the ascetic, the Salaf. And he said the beginning of every virtue sent down from heaven to earth is hunger, and the beginning of every vice which exists between the twain is eating one's fill.